Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's end-of-day world currencies, stock markets and commodities wrap-up for Monday, June 16th, 2025. Kicking things off, I'm Victoria Cashmore. Key world currencies showed broad weakness in the greenback. Notable declines were seen against the euro and British pound, with strong negative trends in both pairs. The yen was an exception, marking its third consecutive daily gain. Year-to-date performance shows significant weakness in the US dollar, most notably against the euro and Swiss franc, both down over 10%. The sterling pair shows nearly 8% decline, while the yen reflects similar weakness. The dollar weakened against the loonie and yuan. Notable movement in the rupee pair, dropping nearly 0.5%. The kiwi showed particular strength, with the dollar falling 0.84%. Week-to-date returns show broad weakness in the dollar, particularly against the New Zealand dollar and Aussie, both down about 0.85%. The offshore yuan showed more resilience, with only a slight decline of 0.11%.
Looking at global stock market tracking ETFs, I'm Max Profit. Israel led the pack with a remarkable 5.7% gain to 86.70, hitting a new all-time high. South Korea showed significant strength, rising 2.6% to 68.19. New Zealand and Taiwan both advanced with strong upward trends. Looking at returns, South Korea stands out with an impressive 34% year-to-date gain and over 12% this month. Israel has gained 12.5% year-to-date, while Taiwan shows strong momentum with a 7.8% gain this month. Among underperforming markets, Indonesia fell 3.2% to 18.1, marking its third consecutive down day. Thailand dropped 2.9% to 51.58, breaking downward after 4 days of consolidation. Switzerland declined 2.6% amid increased volatility. Looking at broader returns, Thailand shows the most significant weakness, down nearly 15% year-to-date. Despite today's decline, Switzerland maintains a 17% year-to-date gain. Norway has gained 27% this year, despite today's pullback.
Considering commodities, I'm Liquidity. Gold futures closed at 3,403.50, down 47.20, showing a very strong positive trend with notable volatility. Silver futures and copper futures both experienced sideways movement, while aluminum futures gained 33.50 with strong upward momentum. Year-to-date returns show gold leading with a 28.9% gain, followed by silver at 24.4%. Aluminum is the only metal showing a slight year-to-date decline at minus 1.5%. Month-to-date, palladium has gained 8.2%. In energy markets, crude oil futures closed at 71.50, down 2.19, showing very strong upward volatility over 14 days. Natural gas rose 2.5% with 3 consecutive up days. Energy commodities broadly maintain positive trends despite today's declines. Month-to-date returns in energy show heating oil leading with an 18.9% gain, followed by crude oil at 17.6%. Natural gas has advanced 8.6%, while gasoline is up 9.9%. Lean Hogs futures reached a new all-time high, marking 7 consecutive record closes amid strong upward volatility. Class 2I milk continued its decline for 6 straight days. Corn broke downward after 3 days of flat trading. Year-to-date performance shows lean hogs leading with a remarkable 37.5% gain. Feeder cattle follows with an 18.2% increase. Class 2, milk remains challenged, down 8.3% for the year. In grains, soybean futures broke upward from consolidation, while wheat showed strong upward volatility. Rough rice declined 2.1%. Oats maintained a very strong positive trend despite 4 days of flat price action. Year-to-date returns in grains show oats leading with a 14.8% gain. Soybeans are up 4.9%, while corn has declined 5.2%. Rough rice is down 3.9% for the year. In soft commodities, sugar and cocoa showed significant gains, rising 5.5% and 3.7% respectively. Orange juice experienced a sharp decline of 5.4% with a strong negative trend. Coffee futures maintained its strong negative trend, while cotton futures broke upward after 3 days of consolidation. Looking at year-to-date performance, orange juice has declined significantly, down 47%. Cocoa shows a 20% decline, while sugar is down nearly 12%. Coffee futures stands out as the only positive performer, up almost 7% for the year.
And with that, we conclude another end-of-day world currency, markets and commodities wrap-up. I'm Victoria Cashmore, along with my AI co-hosts Max Profit and Liquidity. Thanks for watching. Look for daily wrap-ups every day just after 5 p.m. New York time. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check into the channel daily for coverage of stocks, crypto, currency and commodities. Thanks for watching.